how to fix packet loss on Valorant. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to first go into our control panel. So just go here on the search bar and then search for control panel. After that, just open this. And then in this part, just click network and internet. And then click network and sharing center. After that, once you're here, all you have to do is to click change adapter settings. And then in this part, just look for the internet that you're using. So currently, this is the internet that I'm using. So what I'm going to do is to right click on it and then click on properties. And then once you're now here, all you have to do is to look for Internet Protocol version 4 and then Internet Protocol version 6. So what we're going to do here, if you see that Internet Protocol version 4 is disabled and then of course the Internet version 6 is enabled, what we're going to do is to enable Internet Protocol version 4 and then disable Internet Protocol version 6. After that, what we're going to do is to click OK. And then once you click OK right there, the next thing that we need to do is to right click on this once again and then click on properties. And then once you're now here, what we're going to do next is to double click on Internet Protocol version 4. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to change obtain an IP address automatically into this. And then what we're going to do under the use the following DNS server and addresses is we're going to type the preferred DNS server 8888. And then for the alternate DNS server, we're going to put 8, 8, and then 4 and 4. After that, just click OK right there and then try to see if that fixed your problem. However, if it is still slow, then there is another DNS that we can use, which is 1111 and then 1001. After that, you can also use that and try to see if it is more faster compared to the previous DNS. And then after that, once you find the best DNS that you can use, just click OK right here, and then that should fix your problem. However, if it is still not working, then the next thing that we need to do right here is to go here on the search bar and the search for CMD, and then make sure to run it as administrator. Once you do that, all you have to do is to type ipconfig space slash flush DNS and then click enter. After that, as you can see, we now have successfully flushed our DNS. So what we're going to do is to just restart our PC or laptop, and then that should fix your problem. And then if it is still not working, then the next thing that we can do is to go here on the search bar and the search for firewall. So open Windows Defender Firewall right here, and then click allow an app or feature, which is right here. And then in this part, just look for Riot Client. So currently I have two Riot Client right here. So if you don't see Riot Client right there, all you have to do is to click change settings right here and then click allow another app. So all you have to do is to just look for the exe file of the Riot Client, and then it will now be automatically added right here. Once it is added and it is still not working, then the last thing that we can do is to go here on the search bar and then search for settings, which is right here. And then go here on the network and internet. And then go here on the advanced network settings. And then go here on the network reset. After that, click reset now. And then that should fix your problem. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to fix packet loss in Valorant.